Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues like heart diseases, diabetes, even cancer. Fortunately, there are simple ways to calm inflammation and promote overall wellness. In this video, we will explore some easy strategies to help you effectively combat inflammation, allowing you to feel better and improve your health quickly. First, take a look on some important points. Mindful eating. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can significantly reduce inflammation. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, as they can exacerbate inflammation. Incorporate anti inflammatory foods like berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, and nuts into your meals to support your body's natural healing process. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for flushing toxins from your body and reducing inflammation. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit your intake of sugary drinks and caffeine, which can contribute to inflammation. Herbal teas and infused water are excellent alternatives that provide hydration without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity not only helps you maintain a healthy weight but also reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, swimming, and yoga are gentle on the joints while still providing significant anti inflammatory benefits. Stress management. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation, so it's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress levels. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and body. Prioritize self care activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading a book, spending time in nature, or listening to music. Quality sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health and inflammation control. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and conducive to result sleep. Herbal remedies. Several herbs and spices have potent inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation naturally. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon are among the most effective options. Incorporate these herbs into your cooking or enjoy them as supplements or teas to reap their benefits. If you don't have any side effect, these ingredients you can use them. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Including these foods in your diet can help balance your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, reducing inflammation throughout your body. Probiotics. Maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Incorporating probiotic rich foods like yogurt and other ingredients, natural ingredients into your diet to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Alternatively, consider taking a high quality probiotic supplement. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Alcohol consumption and smoking can both contribute to inflammation. Stop taking your alcohol intake and avoid smoking to reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases. Stay positive and laugh more. A positive outlook and laughter have been shown to reduce stress, hormones, and inflammation in your body. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Engage in activities that bring you joy and don't forget to laugh often. Cultivating a positive mindset can have profound effects in your overall health and well-being. Let's understand some signs of inflammation in body. Redness and swelling. Inflamed areas may become red, swollen, and warm to touch. Pain or discomfort. Inflammation can cause pain, stiffness, or tenderness in the affected area. Sometimes you feel fatigue and weakness. Chronic inflammation can lead to persistent fatigue and weakness. Skin issues. Sometimes you feel some skin issues like acne, rashes, eczema, psoriasis, or skin conditions linked to inflammation. Sometimes your eyes looks so red. Joint pain and stiffness. Inflammation in joints can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Fever. Inflammation can cause a low grade fever or elevated body temperature. Headaches and migraines. Inflammation can trigger or exacerbate headaches and migraines. Brain fog and memory issues. Chronic inflammation may lead to cognitive impairment and memory problems. If you are concerned about inflammation, consult a healthcare professional or personalized advice. By incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine, you can effectively reduce inflammation and improve your overall health and well being. From mindful eating and regular exercise to stress management and quality sleep, small lifestyle changes can make a significant difference in how you feel. Take charge of your health today and experience the benefits of a less inflamed body and a happier, healthier life. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.